Hello student, today we will learn from Cambridge. I explore a science textbook for class 1. Lesson number 8, Unit 4, Human Body Keeping Fit. Write the names of the games in which these things are used. You have to write the name of the games where these objects are used. Now first one is a bat we use in cricket. This instrument or object we used in hockey. This particular ball we use for football. And this racket we use for badminton. You must always try to be fit and healthy. We all should be always fit, strong and healthy. A person who is fit and healthy is always happy and enjoys life. If we are happy, then we can enjoy our life. But if we are sick, then we cannot enjoy our life. So, we have to be healthy and fit all the time. Exercise and play. You should exercise your body every day. See, to be fit and fine and healthy, our body needs exercise. That also regular exercise. So we should always exercise for the healthy body. Exercise keeps you healthy and strong. Exercise makes you feel hungry. It helps you to eat well. When we exercise, then we feel hungry, and when we feel hungry, we eat more or we eat well. Exercise also makes you feel tired. After a long time exercise, we feel tired, and it helps you to sleep well, and because of it, we can sleep well. See in this picture, children are doing some exercise. You must go out and play every day. Nowadays, students are playing only on mobile or computer games. So we should not do that. We must go out and play on the open space. You enjoy while playing together with other children. When we play with other children, we enjoy that playing. Playing and running around keep you fit. Playing, running around, jumping. So all these things keep us fit. But you should not play soon after eating. See, they have given one condition. We should not play immediately after eating. After taking our breakfast, after taking our lunch, after taking our dinner. We should not play after eating. So this is about the exercise and play. So why should we exercise? We should exercise every day to keep ourselves healthy and strong. When we exercise, we feel hungry and we eat well. When we exercise every day, we feel tired and then we can have a good sleep. So to be fit and fine and healthy and strong, we must exercise. Also, we must play outdoor games every day. While playing outdoor games like running, jumping, chasing each other, it keeps us fit. But we should not play soon after eating. Next part, correct posture. Posture means the way we hold our body, we stand, we sit, the way we walk. So that is the posture. Posture is the way you hold your body. Posture is like the way we hold our body, whether we stand straight or with little bend, that way. It is the way you sit, stand and walk. Now let's see how should we sit, how should we stand and how should we walk. You must always walk upright. We should always walk upright. See, the picture of this boy is showing how should we walk upright. You should always sit and stand straight. Always stand straight or always sit straight while doing your study or watching TV, anything. So, you must always walk upright. You should always sit and stand straight. Good postures keep your body fit. See, if your posture is correct, then your body is fit. Or it might give you the ache or pain in your back. They also make you look smart. Our correct posture also make us look smart. You must remember to sit straight while writing, reading books and working on the computer. See, as I told you, when we are doing our study, when we are writing something or when we are reading a book, watching TV or working on computer, we always sit straight. Let's do this activity. Circle the children who are showing correct posture. See here, this boy is working on the computer and sitting straight. So this is the correct picture showing the correct posture. Now look at this boy. He is little bit bent. He has bag on his shoulder and he is not standing straight. So this is wrong. See how she is sitting and reading a book. This is not the correct posture. She should sit straight like him. This boy is standing straight, but look at this girl, she is not standing straight. So this is the wrong posture, this is the correct posture. Okay, so we should always walk upright, stand straight and sit straight. Okay. Formative assessment. Fill in the blanks. Dash keeps you healthy and strong. What keeps us healthy and strong? Exercise. Yes, exercise keeps you healthy and strong. The way you sit, stand and walk is known as posture. The way we hold our body, the way we sit, the way we stand, the way we walk is known as the posture. Green tips. The place where you play should be clean. Do not litter in the play area. See, they are talking about like you should play outdoor games. So where you are playing the outdoor games, that area must be clean. And we should not throw any garbage here and there on the playground. So do not litter in the play area. It should be clean. Rest and sleep. You are active during the whole day. Whole day we are active, as if you are going to school, you are going to your tuition classes, playing, studying, reading, watching TV. So we are doing different activities in the whole day. So we are active during the whole day. Even our parents are active during the whole day. They work at home, they work at offices, they work for you, they take you out in the garden, they go for shopping with you. So whole day we are engaged or we are active. Your body needs rest after that, and after that our body is also a kind of machine, so it also needs a rest. You need rest for about 9 hours. We need rest for almost 9 hours. You should sleep early at night and wake up early in the morning. We should always sleep early in the night and wake up early in the morning. That is good for your health. When you get up after a good night's sleep, you feel refreshed. So, we must take 9 hours sleep. Why? Because when we get up after a very good sleep, the next morning we are refreshed and our whole day will be, or the next day will be very active for you. You will not feel sleepy. So we should need a good sleep at night and almost 9 hours sleep. Why? Because we are active during the day, whole day we are active. So after that our body needs some rest. You should wear clean night clothes and sleep on a clean bed. As we have learned that we wear uniform for our school, then we come to home and we use or wear our usual clothes, then we go for playing, there our clothes become dirty, and if we sleep with the same clothes we might get rashes on our skin. So while sleeping, before sleeping, we should wear clean night clothes, we should change our clothes and always sleep on a clean bed sheet. Never cover your face while sleeping. So never cover your sleep while you are sleeping. Never cover your face because you might get a problem of taking oxygen or breathing. Covering the face does not allow you to breathe fresh air. If we cover our face with our bed sheet, we cannot get fresh air for breathing. Always breathe through your nose and not through your mouth. Some people have this habit breathing through mouth. So always breathe through your nose. Especially when we have lot of cough or cold, we breathe through our mouth. So don't do that. Always breathe through your nose. Always brush your teeth before sleeping. So whole day we eat, we take our lunch, we take our dinner, we eat breakfast, we eat some snacks. So always we are eating something and the food particles stuck in our teeth. And if we don't brush at night, then germs grow on that stuck food particles in our mouth, and then it gives us pain after some days. So always brush before sleeping. Exercise, play and rest keep you fit and healthy. So if you want to keep your body fit and healthy, we should exercise every day. We should play outdoor games, not on a mobile or a computer. We should play outdoor games and rest, take a rest around 9 hours. Then you can be fit and healthy. You should sleep early at night and wake up early in the morning. Do you know small babies spend most of their time sleeping? They sleep up to 16 hours a day. See, a small baby sleeps almost 16 hours a day. They spend most of their time in sleeping. So let's revise the lesson. Points to remember. Exercise makes your body strong, fit and strong, healthy. Exercise helps you to eat and sleep well. Because after exercise we feel hungry, so we eat well. After exercise we feel tired, so we sleep well. You must always walk, sit and stand straight. Your posture, you should have a correct posture. Your body needs proper rest. Around 9 hours rest we need. So these are the tips to keep yourself healthy and strong. New words. Exercise. What is the meaning of exercise? Physical activities to make your body strong and healthy. Posture. The position of your back, shoulder, etc. when you are standing or sitting. The way you are holding your body. Upright, as straight as possible. Active, doing a lot of things or moving around a lot. Refreshed, to make you feel fresh and active again. Now let's start with formative and summative assessment. Question number A. Fill in the blanks with the correct option. 1. A healthy person dash life, hates or enjoys. A healthy person enjoys life. Exercise makes you dash dull or strong. Exercise makes us strong. Dash is the way you hold your body. Posture, walk or posture. Posture is the way you hold your body. Always breathe through your dash, nose or mouth. Nose. We should breathe through our nose, not through our mouth. You should get rest for about dash hours. 4 or 9. We should get rest for about 9 hours. Dash cover your face while sleeping. Never or always. Never cover your face while sleeping. Question number B. Tick the correct answer. Exercise keeps you healthy and strong, weak or sad. After exercise, it keeps us healthy and strong. So tick here. While writing, you must walk upright, stand straight or sit straight. While writing, while doing our study, we should always sit straight. So tick in front of this sit straight box. Covering your face while sleeping does not allow you to. When you cover your when you are sleeping, if you cover your face with the bed sheet, then what happens? It does not allow you to breathe fresh air, drink cold drink, or eat tasty food. Breathe fresh air. It does not allow us to breathe fresh air. Next, question number C. State whether the following sentences are true or false. You need not exercise to be fit and healthy. You should not exercise. No. The answer is no. It means it is false. See, if you read any line and if your answer is yes, means it is true. And if your answer is no, means it is false. You must play every day. Yes, we must play every day. So it is true because its answer is yes. You should play soon after eating food. No, we should not play soon after eating our food because it might give us stomachache. So the answer is no, so it is false. You must sit straight while reading a book. Yes, so it is true. Always breathe through your nose. Yes, so it is true. We should always breathe through our nose, not through our mouth. Rest and sleep make you lazy? No, so it is false. The answer of this question is no, so it is false. Rest and sleep make us refreshed, not lazy. You should wake up early in the morning. Yes, so it is true. Let's move towards next question. Answer these questions. Why should you exercise every day? Why should we exercise every day? We should. You becomes we. We should exercise every day. See, this line you have to see in your question and you just have to copy. Why should you exercise every day? You becomes we. We should exercise every day. So we should exercise every day to be healthy and strong. To be healthy and strong. Next question, question number 2. What is posture? Posture is the way we hold our body while sitting, standing and walking. Question number 3. How should you stand and walk? We should stand straight and walk upright. Question number 4. How should you sit while doing your homework? See, half question you have to copy from your question only. We should sit straight. We should sit straight while doing our homework. Your becomes our. While doing our homework. Question number 5. Why does your body need rest? We are active during the whole day, so our body need rest. We are active during the whole day, so our body needs some rest. Question number 6. What is the important thing you should do before sleeping? Which is the important thing we must do? We should do. We must brush our teeth before sleeping. So here we have seen the question number A, B, C and D. On the same page, some task is given. And let's see the HOTS question, that is higher order thinking skills questions. What will happen if you do not maintain good body posture? If we do not maintain good body posture, or if we don't stand straight, if we don't sit straight, then our back might pain. See, these are some objects and these are the games. So let's match. Bat with the gloves, football goes with the shoes, and this racket goes with the table, that is the table tennis racket. So today we have seen how to keep ourselves fit and why should we keep ourselves fit. Thank you for watching my video. Practice reading while seeing the video. Thank you.